with Greg, the development chef here at Hobart, and we're looking at the Hobart Bonnet Minijet. Now Greg, in a lot of kitchens they want to compact down on size and save a lot of space, but just because it's half the size, do you lose any functionality?
No, none whatsoever. You're going to get the same cook times and results out of this oven as what you are opposed to its bigger oven, the Precijet Plus. So I've still got all exactly the same functions on here. It's only 525 millimeters wide and just under 900 back. So again, it can fit into a small space. We are narrow loading on here. You'll still get 4 1x1 6.5 gastronons in here. Again, this is a boilerless oven as well. So we've got the pipe on the back that just puts a controlled amount of water in and hits the element and creates a steam. The actual shelving inside, we have 12 spaces. So it gives me more flexibility on where I want to put gastronoms in, whether I'm using half or third side gastronoms as well. So with the internal of the oven, I can still get a full 1x1 gastronom in here. So it's the same size gastronom that I'll get into the Precijet Plus as well. I'm able to get 4 of them in there of 65 depth, so I can still do 80 breast of chicken in here at one time. Going on to the functions, again we have convection, steam and combi, the temperature and the actual timer as well. The timer will automatically count up, or I can set a time for it to count down by just turning the control knob, highlighting and pressing start. This will automatically count down. There's 2 blanking points either side to the oven as well, so you can have an additional probe kit to this. So the probe is an external probe, and as you can see, the kit just fits in on the side there. The oven itself can actually fit flush against the wall as well because the drainage is slightly inset, again to saving space. Cook times and results are exactly the same as what we would have in the Precijet Plus.